Welcome back. Welcome back. I am excited. Today is officially day one Vlogmas. You guys know I love Christmas and I would sit for hours watching other YouTubers Vlogmas. So this is my time to do my Vlogmas. Hope you guys enjoy. Guys, don't mind me. I went out and the car, my pants get soil on the car and I have to head back out to pick up the kids. So, since we're doing the Christmas thing, I picked up a few little items I'm going to show you guys. Nothing extravagant. I picked up a mat for the front door. Not a bad color. I'm looking for more neutral colors. And I picked up a bathroom mat set. It's not my favorite, but it will do, and it's not that expensive. So we're all about saving the coins. Then I picked up a front door mat. I like those hard mats, so when the rain, because I live in the tropics and we love rain over here. So this island love rain, so I picked up one of those. Guys, I told you guys I'm doing a lot of DIY project. So I need to do the front door to paint it over. It's a metal door. So I got this roller that I can actually paint the door, and this to a paint scraper, I believe it is. I have a railing that I need to, it is vanished, so I need to scrape it, and probably I might paint it because the weather, the vanish is not doing, like it's not weather guard or what have you. So I need to get a paint tray because I forgot to pick that up. So this is for my DIY project. I love candles, and unfortunately I did not go in the US, well, the usual time that I go and shop, pick up my candles and so on. So I don't have much in my supply stack. So I had to pick up one. This one is an evening fireside glow. It has a nice, I get the smell of cinnamon. There's a lot of different smell that I'm getting here. But I'm looking at the ingredients and I'm not really seeing much of it. I get a bit of more scent. So it smells really good. And I needed like this for the bathroom. It's a soap dispenser. It comes with a soap dish and a holder for the toothbrush and whatnot. So it's just simple things, guys, because I'm not doing much for the holidays. I want to actually leave the bigger projects for next year, God's will. And I spent a lot of money this year. I did upgrades, professional upgrades, which cost a lot. I did a bit of traveling this year, but it was all things for my growth, professional growth and development. And so it was worth it. So I'm not counting that. But guys, I started making a soup. You guys saw me do the tomato soup in my last video when I prepare my food. So in order to get the kids to actually drink that soup, I turned that soup into a lasagna soup. I had leftover lasagna noodles, so I cut that up, probably about two of those, and I had a portion of lasagna. It was a ground turkey lasagna with ricotta, cheese, and parmesan and whatnot, cheddar and whatnot. And I did a whole chicken for them as well. So I had some pieces. So I cut that up and then I made a soup for them. So that's the only how. I will have some as well because it has a lot of protein in there. I will do a lasagna soup from scratch. So the rain is coming and I'm thinking like, I'm about to go pick them up. What will I give them to eat? Because I'm not about that cooking life right now because I did my meal prep, which I know is enough for me, but I have 3 of them to pick up, and when they enter the house, they all hungry. So I'm doing this for them, and then I'm gonna go pick them up. Guys, I'm enjoying this. So I will be doing my vlog every day, hopefully. My schedule is getting really tight, but I promise, even though it's 5 minutes, I will definitely do it just to keep you guys updated on what I'm doing daily, my little DIY projects, and so on. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We try to build this community. I'm excited because when I see the subscribers, over 100 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So talk to you in the next video, which is coming soon. Thanks for watching.